Greetings, Eric Backer, naturopath from New Zealand, author of Candida Crusher, formulator of the Candida range of supplements. I've got a question here from a man called Ed Foreman. Ed Foreman's in Atlanta, Georgia. And Ed is asking a question, Eric, are B vitamins good for Candida? Ed, B vitamins are very good for Candida. Let's talk a bit about B vitamins in general, and their importance on health. So there's, I think, 7 different types of B vitamins. B vitamins are critical for health because they perform an incredible amount of functions in the body. We haven't really got time in this video to explain all of the effects on the different individual B vitamins, but they all have very specific effects and combined effects on the human health. B vitamins are produced a lot. They can be produced by your healthy gut bacteria. So healthy gut bacteria produce folate and B vitamins in abundance. And this is one of the reasons why many people who've got very poor gut function are very tired. Because one of the primary roles for a lot of the B vitamins is to help convert carbohydrates into energy or to produce energy. So when I look at my chart above my computer, I've got a liver detoxification supportive pathway here. Both of the phases of the liver detoxification, particularly the first phase that's activated by enzymes, is very dependent on B2, B3, B6, B12 and folate. So all of these I just mentioned here can be produced by gut bacteria. So if you've got beneficial bacteria there in abundance, you'll have plenty of B vitamins, you'll have good liver detoxification pathways, for example. Another very important aspect of B vitamins is energy production, because a lot of the Bs are involved in reactions called NADP and NADPH reactions. These are specific energy pathways in the 3 different systems that are available to the body to make energy. So you can't make energy if you haven't got enough B vitamins. You're going to be increasingly tired. I've got another pathway above my computer here called the steroid hormone pathway. Now most hormones in fact require B6. Okay, so B6 is, or pyridoxine, is a very important hormone, a very important vitamin to make sure that hormones in fact work properly. In fact, the body can't function well at all with a very low B count. You can ingest B vitamins through your diet. There are many different kinds of foods that contain B vitamins. But more importantly, with healthy gut bacteria, you will have ample B vitamins. There's some research that was done at the Monash University in Australia by a bunch of researchers showing that B vitamins in fact can switch on many different aspects of immune function and dampen down other aspects. So B vitamins work almost like cortisol, like the steroid hormone cortisol the adrenals make. B vitamins have been shown now to actually regulate immune function. And again, this is another reason why people with poor gut function and bad candida are going to have a lot of problems with their immune system. So it's really a catch-22. If you've got candida and you've got poor levels of beneficial bacteria, you can't produce enough B vitamins. And therefore, you won't have good immune function to counter the candida. So, there's certainly a link there. Stomach acid, to build up sufficient levels of stomach acid, you need to have B vitamins and zinc in particular. And many people with candida have got poor gut function. They've got poor hydrochloric acid levels in their stomach. So they're really handicapped right from the start. And when you've got poor HCl levels, you're not going to be able to break protein down properly. So you're not going to get amino acids. You're not going to get good hormone levels in the body. You're not going to be able to absorb magnesium, calcium, zinc, many other different trace elements and vitamins and minerals. So it's very important to get that gut function working properly. So my main focus when I consult with patients, and we've got patients now in about 70 countries around the world on Skype and on FaceTime. But the main thing I try and do with people up front is to improve their gut function. Because if I can do that, I can turn their health right around. And also, a powerful gut function is a good ally in terms of getting rid of the yeast infection. So just to answer your question there, Ed, B vitamins are good for candida. B vitamins are very good for candida. And there are different kinds of B vitamin supplements that you can take, but you need to take them in a balanced amount. And you need to get B vitamins from the right kind of source. So you've got to be careful that you're not getting synthetic crap. So I'm currently working on a particular Candida product, which is going to have the right balanced amount of B vitamins in it, and zinc and special nutrients It's actually multivitamin just designed specifically for Candida patients, and that's actually coming up very soon. So thanks for your question, Ed. I hope that sort of answers it.